Standard First English Medium Subject Mathematics. Lesson number 22. Let's learn tens. 10 units gathered together. Let's make a bunch of them. Tie them into a bundle and keep on left side. Note that a 10 is a set of 10 singletons together. When they were single, they were called units. The house of tens is on the left and is now occupied. 0 tells the unit's house which has emptied. It means that when we count the pictures and they are 10, make a bunch of them. When it makes a bunch of 10, it will be a 2-digit number. It is tens. When it is a 1 digit, it's a unit. In a 2-digit number, tens place is at left and units place is at right. 10 is equal to 1 tens and 0 unit. There, 1 bundle on the left side is a 10. A 10 means a bundle of 10 units or singles. Nothing is left in the unit's house. So, we write 0 in it. A 10 has 1 10 in unit's house. So, the number 10 is written as 1 0. Instead of bundles, towers of blocks of 10 or chain of 10 beads can also be made. The concept of 10 can be taught using any of the above objects. Do you know the Ramayana and a war between Ram and Ravan? Ravan has 10 heads. That's why we call him Dashanan.